Now we're going to be dealing with the words that are our verbs for Unit 2. Our first word is teach. As you will notice, there are two different locations, up at the head or at the cheek. Up at the head is used for a more formal register, whereas conversational, you see it more at the cheek. Teach. It's brought down to show that it's a more informal register. Same thing with number 2, learn. We have learn, we took in the information, it's going to our head. That's our more formal register. Conversational, you take in the information, learn. Number 3, same as. This sign can be used for look-alike. For instance, if my sister and I look alike, my sister and I look alike. Number 4, sit. Number 5, stand. Backing up, if we go to number 1, I've shown you the verb for teach, but the noun for teach, teacher, if you add the agent marker, which is this, the agent marker, it becomes a person, a teacher. So you have teach or teacher. And again, depending on the register, you would do it up at the head or at the cheek. Number 2, we have learn. Again, if you add the agent marker, it becomes learner, or student, or pupil. Looking at number 4, sit, depending on the movement, can differentiate between a noun or a verb. They're called noun-verb pairs. So for the verb sit, the movement, verbs are normally one time. So sit or sit down. But if we make the movement more than one time, by repeating the movement, we change this sign from a verb sit to chair. And if you'll notice for our last word, stand, this is actually considered a classifier. A classifier represents a sign. It's not an exact sign. In this instance, stand is actually 2 pair of legs, and they're standing up. Now, let's review. And that concludes our verbs and noun and verb pairs and classifier for Unit 2.